Algebra 2 EOC practice test number 19. Is x plus 2 a factor of x cubed minus x squared minus x minus 2? Alright, so this is a polynomial division problem. So you can use synthetic division or long division. If we use synthetic division, remember you're going to take what's in the binomial and you're going to change the sign. So the first thing we need to do is take this right here and we're going to put a -2 and just kind of put a little box around it. Then we're going to bring the coefficients down. 1, -1, -1, and -2. So 1, -1, -1, and -2. All right. When we do this, we're going to divide. And if the remainder is 0, that means it is a factor. If the remainder is not 0, then it's not a factor. So to do synthetic division, the first number comes down, and then we multiply -2 times 1, and then we add, and then we multiply, and then we add, then we multiply, and then we add. Alright, so if we get 0 as a remainder, then this is a factor of this polynomial. We did not get 0, so that means it is not a factor. So we know the two yeses are not correct. No, the remainder is -12. So the answer to number 19 is C. Another way to do this problem is to use the remainder theorem. So instead of doing the synthetic division, you could take the -2 and simply substitute it into this polynomial and see what you get. So if you take -2, let's change the color here. If you take -2 and plug it in, so -2 cubed minus -2 squared minus -2 minus 2, you could see that you should get -12 as well. So -2 cubed, 2, 4, that's -8. And then -2 squared is +4, but it brings down the negative. And then that becomes +2. And then bring down this -2. So that becomes -12. These two cancel, so -12. So using the remainder theorem, you get the same answer. But there is multiple ways to do that. So whichever way you feel most comfortable with is the way that you should do it.